Welcome to this brand new case story from Normasim. I'm now walking in a parking house, and Normasim have been involved in several parking houses the past year. Why we have been involved is because we have a special luminaire combined with a sensor brings some really high energy savings. And this is a perfect example of that. If you do not have any movement, you have 0% light over here, and if you have 100% light. What we can do for you is that we can have lighting designers to calculate exactly how many luminaires you need, and also doing the energy saving report so you can see the return on investment. In this case here, we had a return on investment on only 1 year, which is quite good. And then we have other projects which is 2 years, but it's normally not above that. So it's really a good investment to install LED lights in your parking house. Financing also something that we can do. When it comes to financing, it's normally set up in a way so you do not really have to pay anything. And that's something that we can help you with. So get in touch with Normasim today, we will be really happy to help you.